All right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Shorts to make pocket money, and all you have to do is download free stuff using 3 different websites that I'm going to show you right now. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, so first things first, YouTube Shorts is the equivalent to TikTok, which is the equivalent to Reels, which is the equivalent to whatever the hell Twitter has going on right now. It just came out a few months ago. It's hot. People are blowing up on YouTube because of this, and I want you to get into the action. So I'm going to show you how to make a series of very short motivational reels, shorts. This is the same way I've done all my Reels tutorial. I'm just going to go through the process again and show you exactly what I'm doing. So the first website I'm going to is pexels.com. So Pexels is a huge, huge library. Let's go straight up for the best free stock and photo video tools on the interwebs. So I'm going to go ahead and search that Lamborghini since I already have everything picked out. I'm going to make sure I select videos over there, and I already have downloaded this video. So this is the video I've downloaded already. Just a black Lambo driving, just smash free download. It'll download right to your downloads folder. The next area I'm going to show you is back in YouTube. So whatever, so there's 2 options you could do. You could either download some audio and upload it into YouTube, or YouTube, you could also, when you're creating a reel right within the YouTube app, and I would say just during the YouTube short from your phone, you could select the music from their library there too. So since I'm doing this all on desktop, I'm going to show you right now. You just basically go to YouTube Studio. They have a whole audio library. This is all free music to use. You could still make money when you're using any of this music. So I'm going to go with this cool jam. Sounds Lamborghini enough, so I already had downloaded that. And then I'm going to swipe on over to my trusty capwing.com. And I already have this stuff uploaded. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that video in. I'm going to go to select that video, smash crop, go to Instagram 9:16 snap story, done cropping. So now I have that in the perfect size for my YouTube short. And then I'm going to actually shorten this up to about 20 seconds. I don't have any time frame wise now because YouTube Shorts is still kind of going off, but I would say anywhere from 11 to 20 seconds is probably good. It's all about the retention ratio. You want people to watch your entire short. Obviously, the shorter the short, the better. And that's how in my 5.1 million view video reel that I had, it was a very short 5-second clips. I was able to crank out 5.1 million views in a matter of a week. Just by having that being a 5-second clip. That was really catchy. So I'm going to go ahead and add my audio. I'm going to go ahead and shorten this up, go to like a big drop, move that over. I'm not even listening to it. I'm kind of just going, I'm going to click the I'm going to go over here and smash the S button on that clip, split it. So now when we play it, we got to kill the audio on the actual video. So now we have our base video, so I'm going to go ahead and add some text to it. So styling. Go ahead and make that larger. Let's drop that white. Add another text layer. I'm just going to drop some text on it so it looks cool. And then again, you could go ahead, and this is the cool thing about doing it in Capwing, we could kind of already like create it so we don't have to play with the timing within the app of YouTube, within the YouTube short. One more, no, I don't want audio, text, and I always do this. styling and profiling. If you guys are wrestling fans, you'll probably get that Ric Flair sentence. So now we can go ahead and see I pinned it to the bottom, so I'm going to move that and drag that to another row. Keep that just right underneath, and now when I play this, and we are ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and export that video. While this is exporting, I'm going to remind you now is a great time to smash that subscribe button on the YouTube channel. Help support me by smashing the subscribe button, sharing any of my videos out to your friends who are interested in the tech side on how to make the money. So a lot of people could apply this to make the money, but not a lot of people know how to actually do the work that goes behind the scenes, and that's what I'm being an open book about on this channel. If you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe to my email list. Don't click the link below to subscribe. I'm going to have an arrow there, but click the link because that'll let you subscribe to my channel. So this hopefully won't take too much longer since it's only a 20-second video. Here we go. Now it's going. But I wanted to drop this video on YouTube Shorts because I think it's a very easy way to deal with a lot of this stuff. We're going to smash that download button while this is going. Like any app that's out there, YouTube is always pushing. They're always going to be pushing. They're always going to be pushing what they want when it comes to their updates. So if you're on your computer, we're going to go to find that Shorts demo. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload it. And this is the cool part where no other app is going to allow you to basically set everything up on the computer and schedule it. So we could go styling and profiling. And then you always want to do hashtag shorts, and that'll filter to the shorts area of the app. Demo. And then Control C, shorts demo. Don't click the magical link here. And then I'm going to swipe over to my bit.ly. I'm going to copy my, see, and this is a way, so I started the video out by saying I'm going to show you how to make money using shorts. This is how you do it through affiliate marketing. I'm selling a package to where I'm just capturing emails so I could go back and filter those emails out using another app called ConvertKit to go and build funnels out of there. But this is where you could grab a Digistore 24 link. So they're cars. So we could go people who are into cars. Let's see what else we got over here. Sports. Let's see if there's anything in sports. You could very easily find stuff like, I don't think there's a cars, hobby and handcraft maybe. So let's say there was a cars link. You could go ahead and promote now. You could go over to bit.ly and drop that into a bit.ly and click copy and then add some clickbaity text over here. Where I'm trying to get people to smash that link and give them a free guide to make $197 a day. So go ahead and smash that link and sign up. Subscribe now. And then I'm going to go ahead and you could create your own thumbnail. I don't do any thumbnails for these. No, it's not made for kid. I'm going to add some tags. Cars, Lambo, money. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Not going to add any other cars to it because it's a easy video. Next. And then this is where you're cool. You could go ahead and schedule it. So I actually don't have anything. I have stuff today. I have stuff tomorrow. I have anything on the 20th. So I'm going to actually set this to publish on the 20th at noon. At 2 p.m. And I could go ahead and smash that schedule button. And for proof, you guys could actually, when you're watching this video, I'll actually upload both on the same day so you actually see how easy this all was. So again, smash that subscribe button. If you're interested in making $197 a day, feel free to smash that button below and subscribe and get on my email list, because I cover a lot more in depth in my email than most people do. So as always, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys later.